video is for lesson 1-3, integers and absolute value. If you had two numbers like -5 and +5, and you had to determine less than, greater than, or equal to, you could use a number line to determine this by starting with 0 in the middle and going to 5 on the right and -5 on the left. And according to the number line, if you have a +5 over here and the -5 on this side, if it's to the left of the number, like -5 is to the left of +5, the sign would go like that. -5 is less than +5. Similar process if you had multiple numbers like -7, +3, -4. You'd once again just do a number line if you needed to order them from least to greatest or greatest to least. And the first number, -7, would be over here to the left hand side, -7. +3, the second number here, would be 1, 2, 3 to the right. And then -4, remember negative's always to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left here. So if you ordered these numbers from least to greatest, it would go -7, -4, and then +3. -7 is to the left, -4 is to the right of -7, and +3 is to the right. If you needed to add with numbers for absolute value, for example, if you had absolute value of -12 plus the absolute value of -8, remember, for the absolute value symbol, it means the actual distance from 0. So the absolute value from 0 on the number line. So -12 is, if you had a number line, it would be 12 spaces to the left of the 0. So you would just go by the number of 12. So you'd end up writing just -12. The absolute value of that is +12. And then for the absolute value of -8, since 8 would be just right to the right 8 spaces, you would add 12 plus 8, which would equal 20.